The carburetor brings fuel and air together in the perfect ratio for combustion. The carburetor has many tiny passages that route the fuel. If dirt or corrosion plugs these passages, the engine will run poorly or not start at all. Leaving fuel sitting in the carburetor for a month or more at a time can cause varnish and corrosion to form inside, restricting or stopping the flow of fuel. A carburetor can be cleaned and rebuilt, but often it is cheaper or faster to just simply replace it. Replacing your tool's carburetor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Next, I'll remove the air filter. Now I'll remove the two bolts that secure the carburetor and the air filter base to the engine. With the bolts loosened, I can pull the bracket away from the air filter base along with the bolts and remove the base. Next, I'll loosen the bolt that secures the throttle cable to the carburetor. I'll remove the cable from the throttle linkage, and now I'll remove the fuel lines as well. With the fuel lines removed, now I can rotate the carburetor off of the bracket. Now I can install the new carburetor. I'll tighten up the retaining nut and now reinstall the throttle cable. Now I'll reinstall the fuel lines. Next, I'll reinstall the screws and air filter bracket to the air filter base. And now this can go back onto the carburetor. I align the screws with the carburetor and insert them through the carburetor. Now I can reinstall the carburetor gasket. I'll place it over the screws that I've already threaded through the carburetor, and now this assembly can be reattached to the isolator. Now install the air filter and the air cleaner cover. And that's all it takes to replace the carburetor on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.